I'ma jump in it like this. I don't party with the kids. I get lit and I sit at the crib. You my baby, no beer.
Alright guys, so I already, as you guys can see, I was driving all over the place trying to get the ingredients for this damn Midwife brew. Could not find no castor oil, but I finally got it at CVS. So we're gonna go ahead and start making this concoction, I think. Y'all know what I mean. My niece is being a cameraman and she sucks. So we're gonna see if we get anything
mess
going.
with me.
So we're gonna see if we get anything going. You guys already know all the ingredients. I'm just gonna go ahead and show it to you guys real quick. So we have our castor oil here. I got the CVS one. That's the only place I can find it. I got currants, apricot nectar, creamy vanilla almond butter. I got the vanilla flavor because I'm hoping that'll help raise the, oh, excuse me. I thought that would help like raise the flavor a little bit because they said that this is supposed to taste very nasty. So hopefully the vanilla will add some oomph to it and it doesn't mess up the ingredients or how the induction is supposed to work. And I went with Tazo Zen tea because I could not find I couldn't find the lemon verbena tea, but it has, is that the ingredients? Yeah, it has lemon verbena leaves in the ingredients. Let go of the box, girl. In the ingredients, I already have my tea steeping. It's right here, guys, steeping. I see most people say they put 4 tea bags to make it a little strong. So I didn't want to risk anything, so I added an extra one. Hopefully that doesn't mess it up either. So I put 5 tea bags. And if you guys want to know what the ingredients are, the ingredients ask for hold on. Hold on, give me a second. Shut up! Sorry about that, guys. We have an uncle trying to be an uncle and, you know, trying to give a lecture during my video. But yeah, so the ingredients ask for, give me a second, 10 ounces of apricot juice, 8 ounces of pure lemon verbena tea, 2 tablespoons of castor oil, and 2 tablespoons of almond butter. But we're gonna go for it and see what we get. Let's start. Where's the blender?
Last time she did.
Alright, so I thought I was recording y'all, and I wasn't. But I poured my tea into the blender already. So this is 250 milliliters of lemon verbena tea. I think it's a little bit more, but oh well. We have 300 milliliters of apricot nectar. Oh my god, this looks disgusting. I don't think I'll be able to drink it. 2 tablespoons of castor oil and 2 tablespoons of almond butter.
Oh, I got this. We put a tea.
Okay, and the last ingredient is the almond butter.
That's really nasty. Guapo.
Okay, so I think it's done. It looks so disgusting. I'm scared, but we have to go for it. So I'm gonna get my cup of ice and try to chug this down. It's 3:15 and I have to drink it. You know, you have to finish drinking it within 30 minutes. So let's see if I get through this in 30 minutes, guys. I probably should have got some more ice. Oh my god, this is a lot to drink, y'all. A lot to drink. I'm gonna let my niece taste them before I taste it, because you know they're my tasters. They gotta make sure that everything is, you know, good for baby's eyes. Yummy.
She just drinking. I'm happy.
Okay, she's just being dramatic. She's always dramatic. You know what, taste it? It's 3:21. So that means I have 20, 30, 40, 50. I have till 3:50 to finish the whole thing.
Wait, that's it.
Yes.
When you put it in,
I'm on an empty stomach, by the way, so I'm starving. So
that's it. When
this
you
is a lot to
when
drink.
you put it in your mouth,
God.
it tastes like a water, but it's not.
Then I start to taste them. I say.
And then after that, you see? And then after that, when you start getting the taste in your mouth, it just tastes like peanut butter cookie, which tastes good. But when it's really in your mouth, it tastes
I'm kind of happy that I used the vanilla almond butter, because you can taste the vanilla.
Yeah, that's what
I don't taste anything else.
I only.
It don't taste like what I expected it to taste like.
3:22. You can't stop. You gotta keep going.
I taste the tea. It tastes lemony. I think I probably used too much tea.
I don't taste nothing. All I taste is the peanut butter thing.
It's not great,
Nasty.
but it's not like so disgusting where I can't drink it.
Rated 0 out of 10. I will give it a 1 because only the peanut butter tastes good. But after that, no, it's not good.
It's like a 6, 5. I don't know, but I'm gonna check this down and I'm gonna come back to you guys. Probably gonna take a walk at the park.
Yay!
Bye guys. I finished it, guys. It's done, and it is now. It's 3:34, so it took me about 12 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes to finish it. Not bad, but it is disgusting. I feel like I'm about to throw up. So yeah. So let's see what happens in the next couple hours. Alright guys, so I'm currently at the park with my nieces. I've been here since like 4:30 or whatever. I'm logging off my phone, so if the quality looks different, that's why. So I'm not gonna carry my big ass Canon T5i over here. So they're on the playground playing, and I've been walking around in a circle. I've walked 1 mile already. My goal is 2 miles, so I've walked 1 mile already, and yeah, and then I took a pause for 20 minutes so I can do the SP6 acupuncture press in my ankles. I think I'm having a contraction, y'all. Okay, so they just been acting. Oh my gosh. So far they just been coming sporadically. It's currently 6 o'clock and I finished the brew at 3:34. Hold on, guys. Okay. I finished the brew at 3:34 and they've just been coming sporadically for like 5 minutes. Some of them are 2 minutes. Some of them are like 10 minutes. So they're not like really consistent or anything. But so far I went to the bathroom. The like 15 minutes right after I drunk it, I had a solid bowel movement. And then 20 minutes after that, I had a freaking explosion. I know, TMI. So I had the runs a little bit. But since then I haven't had to pee.
Hey guys!
They're so y'all so annoying. Can y'all go play?
We're done playing. We got no friends. Everybody's leaving.
So I don't want no daughters. Oh my god. I think I'm getting another one. I'm not even timing these because I'm using my phone. But I don't know if it's because I'm walking, if that's the reason why. Because like they come like way more frequent when I walk. And then like when I sit down, they're like all over the place. So I'm walking. I'm trying to do another mile. I'm at like 1.3 I think now. So 2 miles is to go. And I think I said that already. I'm talking too much. And then after that, I walked to the park just to get more walking in. And I don't feel like walking back home, so I should have drove. But whatever. I guess I'm gonna walk back home afterwards. And hopefully keeps going. My contractions get closer together and we're in labor. Hopefully. That's the plan. But so far, it don't feel like it's gonna go in that direction. So, but we'll just keep moving. I think I told y'all about the bowel movements, right?
You're annoying.
They're annoying. I'm out, y'all.
I think the last time you guys see me, I was contracting at the park. If you watch my other video, you'll see that I had made the Midwives Brew and I drank it in order to try to induce, like self-induce my labor, and it worked. It actually worked, and I did not expect it to work, y'all, and it worked. So baby Zai is here. He is currently sleeping, my handsome little man. He is currently sleeping, and yeah, and I'm at the hospital. I want to tell you guys my birth story so bad, but that's gonna be like for a whole nother video. So yeah, but he came out. He was smaller than Makai actually, because I had him a little bit earlier at 38 weeks, and with Makai was damn near 42 weeks, and Makai was 8 pounds. So that means had I let baby's eyes stay inside of me for 4 weeks longer, he could have been damn near 9 pounds. And that was one of the reasons why I had to like kind of hurry up and self-induce, because I was not going to push out no 9-pound baby. But for other reasons as well. So yeah, but yeah, so that's basically it. The Midwives Brew did work for me. I did contract. I did, you know, go into labor, like, and it started like after like 2 hours. Like, I started contracting. I took it at 3:30. I think I showed you guys 3:30, and I finished at like 3:34, and I started contracting at 5:30. And I went for a 2-mile walk at the park and all of that. So yeah, I can see it throughout the video. But I'm also gonna explain everything in my birth video as well. So stay tuned for my birthing vlog. And I love you guys so much. And continue to watch, share, like, comment, and let me know what else you guys want to see, because we don't stop from here. There's so much more to come. I am starving. So yeah, so expect like other baby videos. Make sure you request things like what there's like breastfeeding video, learning how to express and all that stuff. So far it's been pretty easy because I've done all of this with Makai already. So I just been betting it. But yeah, so baby Zai is here, y'all. And yeah, but his name and stuff is at the end of the video, so let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like his name? I love his name, but I'm still call him baby. I'm still gonna call him baby Zai. But yeah, so until next time, peeps, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to be notified, and don't forget to tell a friend so they can tell a friend so they can tell a friend so they can tell another friend so that friend can come back and watch me. Until next time, peeps. Deuces.